welcome to Garden Bamboo Plants. Do you live in a small home? Perhaps you find yourself yearning for a touch of nature amidst the urban jungle. The tranquility that comes from being surrounded by greenery can be a soothing balm for the soul. Plants can bring that peace indoors. They not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your living space, but also improve air quality. Even small spaces can become green havens. A few well-placed pots can transform your home. With a little creativity, anyone can enjoy the benefits of indoor plants. Think vertical gardens, hanging planters, or repurposing old containers to create unique displays. One plant perfect for small spaces is Lucky Bamboo. This versatile plant is not only attractive but also compact, making it ideal for apartments, tiny homes, and spaces. It's not really bamboo, but it looks like bamboo, and it's said to bring good luck. Its slender, elegant stalks can add a touch of zen to any room. Lucky Bamboo is easy to care for, requiring minimal maintenance, making it perfect for those who may not have a green thumb. It can thrive in low light, making it ideal for apartments and small homes. Whether placed on a desk, a windowsill, or a shelf, Lucky Bamboo can adapt to various environments, bringing a bit of nature into your daily life. So why not start your indoor garden today and enjoy the myriad benefits that plants can offer? Lucky Bamboo is a versatile and resilient plant that can thrive in various environments. It can grow in soil or water, which makes it adaptable to different spaces. Whether you have a small apartment or a small home, Lucky Bamboo can fit right in. It adds a touch of nature to any room, bringing a sense of tranquility and freshness. Its elegant stalks and lush green leaves can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your living space. It can grow in low light conditions, but it prefers bright, indirect sunlight. Placing it near a window with sheer curtains can provide the perfect lighting. Direct sunlight can scorch its leaves, causing them to turn brown and dry. To keep your plant healthy, avoid placing it in direct sunlight. It's important to change the water regularly. Every 2 weeks is a good rule of thumb. Fresh water helps prevent the growth of algae and keeps the plant hydrated. Additionally, trimming the roots occasionally can promote better growth and prevent the plant from becoming root-bound. Lucky Bamboo can be styled in various ways, from simple vases to elaborate arrangements. It can even be a part of a Zen garden, adding to the peaceful ambience. Misting the leaves occasionally can also help keep them fresh and vibrant. This simple care routine ensures that your Lucky Bamboo remains a beautiful and healthy addition to your home. Lucky Bamboo is perfect for adding a touch of greenery to small spaces. Start by choosing a container that fits your style and space. It can be a vase, a jar, or a pot. The choice is yours, but make sure it complements your decor and fits well in your compact living area. Once you've selected your container, fill it with either water or potting mix. If you opt for water, ensure it's clean and free of chlorine. If you prefer soil, use a well-draining potting mix. For a creative touch, add some pebbles to the water. The pebbles not only support the bamboo stalks, but also add a decorative element. Place the Lucky Bamboo in the container. Arrange the stalks to create an appealing display that enhances your small space. Ensure the roots are submerged in water or soil. This is crucial for the plant's health. Regularly check the water level and add more as needed to keep the roots covered. Remember to change the water every 2 weeks. Fresh water prevents the buildup of algae and bacteria, ensuring your Lucky Bamboo stays healthy and vibrant. With these simple steps, your Lucky Bamboo will thrive, adding beauty and versatility to your compact living space. Get the best out of your plant. Be innovative and creative. Here are some ideas for creative displays for small spaces. Use a tall, narrow vase for a chic vertical accent. Group several stalks together in a low bowl for a stylish touch. This creates a Zen-like centerpiece. Try a wall-mounted planter for a modern look. This saves valuable floor space while adding style. You can also use shelves to display your Lucky Bamboo collection decoratively. Bringing green vibes home. Lucky Bamboo is a fantastic way to enhance the ambience of small spaces. It's easy to grow and care for, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. Plus, it brings a touch of nature indoors, creating a serene environment. Let us know whether you'll incorporate Lucky Bamboo into your living space. Comment below. Subscribe and join the growing Garden Bamboo Plants community, and check out the playlist for more information on Lucky Bamboo care.